Jackson glove back on. That's that one glove for grabbing until I need both of them on. Because this one here just did a little something. Yes, I'm on again. Keep going, keep going, keep going. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. You still there? Yeah, you still there. Take it, take it, take it. Take it, take it, take it. Ain't no restrictions, just take it. It may have dropped it. Oh snap, I just saw a turtle come up. Man, I hope that wasn't no doggone turtle. Oh, there it is. You gonna come up and take a breath in front of me? Oh my God. So slow. You won't go for a real run. Timid biter. I just know this must be a small one. Right there. Right there. I won't take it. God, you are such a baby. Start recording. Start recording. It is again. See? That's that low. Come on, take it for a real run. This must be the smallest gar. I'm gonna lose my mind. This is a monster. If this is a huge fish, I'm gonna be laughing. Look at this. So even though my bottom's coming at 12, it's nowhere near the shore. That's because as it takes line, it drags your slider bottom towards you. I have no drag hardly. It's literally just nothing. You could just run and run and run. The line ain't going out fast enough for me. I'm like, are you serious? Okay, it's taking it, but it's taking it hella slow. And it's straight ahead, like it's going from straight across instead of downstream like normal. Look at that. Gotta give it to him at some point. Yep. Come on, get up to it. Get up to it. Where you at? Where you at? Where you? There you are. There you. What the? Oh my. Get up to it. Get up to it. Where you at? Where you at? There you are. There you. What the? Oh my God. Are you serious? What is this? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is this? Gosh. Are you serious? What is this? Uh-oh. 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 What is this? Uh-oh. What is this? What is this? This might be a catfish. Is this the flathead that I've been waiting on? Oh, snap. Oh, whatever it is. Just, yeah. Gar. Oh, you way out there. Oh, snap, this is a monster. I'll just be damned. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that might be a cat. Might be a cat. Ooh, what is this? Ooh. floating log. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You better be on camera. You better be on camera. Ooh. You better be on. Ooh. We got to fight, y'all. God almighty, we got something here. We got something real. Look here. Come here. Come here. Who is that? Who is that? Come on up. Come on up in here. Oh, snap. Oh, shit. What in the world? What in the world? A turtle? Turtle? It's a damn turtle. Boy, you just gonna have to come on camera since you gave me all this drama. Man, I didn't want you. I didn't want you. Oh, thing. Boy, you just gonna have to come on camera since you gave me all this drama. Man, I didn't want you. I didn't want you. Oh, thing. Oh, man, what is that, a soft shell? Yeah, man, hold on, I'm gonna get you off if you just, yeah, okay, buddy. I'm so sorry, I didn't want you. But ooh, you strong as a catfish. Yes, you are. That's what I couldn't figure out the bite because you don't bite like nobody but you. All right, let's see if you gonna act right so I can get this out your mouth without no drama from you. In the mud. What's up, buddy? Nobody wanted you. Woo, say don't play me cheap. I got a bite too. All right, well, hell, come on then. Since you're gonna be like that, I got to put you all the way on camera. Ah, snap. This is what'll take your stuff when you're on the hooch sometime. Man, look at you. Okay, now, can we negotiate this without anybody, because you got that, ooh, you got teeth on you. Oh, you say what? You say, you and these doggone turtles of all species. Give me the hook, buddy. I don't want you. I promise I don't want you. I just want to get the hook out your mouth. I don't want to leave you hurting. Ah, well, you popped the line. That might be as good as we can do, right? Oh, look at soft shell. You got a pretty shell. You really do. Whew. Put on my gloves, because I know y'all got turtle leeches and everything all over you. Y'all a big party. Oh, you are a soft shell. You feel like a thick piece of plastic. Oh my gosh, have mercy. Got you. You don't smell too good either. Yeah, you have been in the river for quite some time, my friend. Quite some time. Out here catching gamma. That's all right with your little pointed nose. Damn if you ain't still cute. They gonna love you. So come on, let's get you back in the water. Oh man. You ready? Go ahead, buddy. For a minute, I thought it was a snapping turtle. But damn it, that thing didn't fight like a fish, y'all. That was crazy. I hate that I couldn't get the hook out of his mouth, but I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. It'll rust up, crust up, and come on out. He was not letting me in. I tried my dangest to get up in there with these and pull them out, but it did snap right. As you can see, he was very healthy and swam off like a pure champ if you heard that splash. Turtle power. look at you. You got spots on your head too. Beautiful. Yeah, boy. Nice. Word is out. I'm the Gar Man. So go see the Gar Man. He makes you famous. He have you all over the internet. Don't think while I'm watching you, I ain't watching my bobbing. Cause you could have been sent just to keep my keep me distracted. Ooh, what did you just hit? Oh. Now he got something, y'all. He bit something up out the sand. It's in his teeth. Yo.